To complete quality work that will last for 10 years or more, follow the 3 rules of perfect painting. 1. Prepare the surface before painting. 2. Use superior quality tools and paintbrushes. 3. Use superior quality paint. When you apply paint, give W paintbrush or roller strokes to obtain a good uniform coat and to make sure the paint sticks well to the wall. When you paint with a roller, always roll in the same direction. If you want to change direction, you'll have to roll the roller over itself. This way of applying paint ensures color uniformity and will give your wall a polished look. For the same reasons, when you paint a ceiling, you should always apply the paint widthwise instead of lengthwise. The seams will be less visible. If you paint up and down, then down and up without turning over the roller, the finished look might be uneven. This first coat of paint will fill in the pores and seal off the surface. It will offer additional protection for humidity migration through the walls. Moreover, it will help the finishing coats adhere to the wall and give it its nice polished look.